friends. My name is Aishwarya Mishra. Today I am going to tell about Rakhi. Rakhi. It is most popular Hindu festival. Hindu's festival. It is Hindu's festival. This festival is called Raksha Bandhan. It is a festival of brothers and sisters. In this occasion, so many sweets are prepared. In this occasion, so many sweets are prepared in different homes. First, in this puja, first we have to put tilak on brother's forehead and tie Rakhi on brother's wrist. Raksha Bandhan comes on Shravan Purnima. Raksha means bond of protection. In this puja, brothers promise to be with her and take care of her. And sisters tell God for his brother protection. Thank you.
Namaste. I am J. Anisha, 3rd A. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated as a festival of bonding between brothers and sisters. It is believed that Draupadi tied Rakhi to Lord Krishna. This festival became popular after Rani Karnavati sent Rakhi to King Humayun. It shows the unity of the family. Thank you.
My name is S. Prajitra. I am studying 3rd A in KVDGK. Today I am going to tell a speech about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of India. It is celebrated all over country with a great joy. Raksha means protection, Bandhan means bond. The Bandhan of the protection are called Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is sisters apply tilak in brother's forehead and tie Rakhi in brother's wrist. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated in the day of Shravan Purnima. Brothers give gift to their sister and promise we are take care of them in every situation. Sister prays to God, brother's health and brother's bright future. And Raksha Bandhan is a celebration of relationship between brother and sister. Thank you.
Good morning. I am M. Aishwarya of class 3. I am going to speak about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of Hindus. It also comes on Purnima or full moon day in the month of Shravan according to Hindu calendar. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Raksha Bandhan means bond of protection. This festival is celebrated all over India. On this day, sister tie a special band on their brother's wrist of a mark of affection. The brothers, in return, takes a lifelong oath to protect their sisters. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon. My name is Shubhendra Segadas. I study in 3rd A. Today I speak about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival in Indian tradition. The day when a sister ties a special thread to his brother's wrist. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on Sarvan Purnima. This festival shows a bond of affection, love, care between brother and sister. Brother always promise to protect her sister. Sister always prays to God for safety, a good health and bright future for his brother. On this day, special food made in house. It is a symbol of love, togetherness and affect to each other. Thank you.
My name is Rosna. I am studying in Tare. Good morning, sir. I am talking about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is well-known festival of India. It is also called Rakhi. The festival reflects the bond of affection, love, care of the relation between brothers and sisters. Raksha means protection. Bandhan means bond. It is celebrated in August. Brother gives her return gift and money.
Hi friends, my name is Tiri Bhaskar. I am studying Tare. My school name is Kendra Vidyalaya DGK. Today I speak about Raksha Bandhan. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all brothers and sisters. Raksha Bandhan is one of the important festival of Hindus. It is festival of brothers and sisters. On this day, sister tie Rocky on the wrist of their brothers. The pray to the God for good healthy brothers. Also promise to protect their sister, and they give nice gift
to their
sister. I will favorite festival of
festivals?
Festivals because I get last gift. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is K. Bhargav Kumar. Today I am going to tell speech about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is famous festival of India. It's celebrated on all countries. It is Raksha means Bandhan. Bandhan means bond. It is celebrated on Purnima. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. At first I wish you happy Raksha Bandhan to all my brothers and sisters. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on Purnima, the full moon day in the month of Sarvan. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Thus the bond of protection is called Raksha Bandhan. On the day of Raksha Bandhan, sisters prepare puja thali with kumkum, diya, rice, sweets and rakhi. On Raksha Bandhan festival, sisters pray to God for the well-being of their brothers. Brothers on Raksha Bandhan takes now vow to protection of this sister for life. Exchange of sweets and gifts. Gifts also important customs to Raksha Bandhan festival. Thank you.
Good morning, sir and dear friend. Today I am going to speak about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a popular festival celebrated in India. On this day, sister tie a rakhi on her brother's hand. Symbolically protecting them, receiving a gift and return and share responsibility. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm T. Address I'm going to say about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of North India. Celebrated all over the country with joy. Raksha means protection, Bandhan means bond. Raksha Bandhan celebrated Shravan Purnima. Sisters tie rakhi brother's hand. Brothers give the sister gift. Thank you.